all upgrade. Double dip.
Wait, so what are we doing about me?
I thought you didn't want to play.
I don't mind.
Yeah, see.
I just looked at the trouble.
Okay, yeah, well,
I don't want.
now you know how I felt last week. Or last one.
What do you mean?
You didn't say you want to play doubles last week. Or last month. God damn it.
We'll play my birthday month.
Red.
Wait, you and Jeff?
You'll get there.
Yeah, I mean...
Yeah, it's kind of fucked up.
I mean, yeah, that's true. I mean...
That's a little fucked up.
Okay, how about this? I'll still team with Tracy. Jeff has to team with the level 9 Luigi or something.
Sure.
There you go.
Wait, the Luigi specifically.
Yeah,
You could choose your CPU AI.
Oh.
Okay.
Cheerless. Go.
Zelda and the Luigi's are pretty good.
Let's get Fox.
Just gonna SD over and over.
But also power shield over and over.
Whoa.
Just do stupid lasers over and over.
Alright, any starter is fine with me.
Same with
Do I
me.
do middle 3?
Yeah, we can do right in the middle 3.
Awesome.
Alright.
Okay.
Good luck, everybody.
Yeah, ready?
Who's Dawson teaming with, babe?
David?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, there's so much going on.
Oh, maybe it's Drea.
There's Jay.
More people should say this.
We could have gotten you a shirt.
I got you. Getting you out of there.
Woo!
Hit him with the move!
What?
Oh my god, 200 hits there. Get him! No, that's down!
No,
There's a Diddy Kong up there.
I forgot.
Get him! Get him! Yeah!
Get him.
Wait, what? He's alive? Just a cheater.
Liar.
How do I do this?
What?
Five.
No, it doesn't matter. It actually doesn't matter. We're all, it's a round off.
But I like getting nervous. What?
No, it's fine. See, this is last. You have no faith.
I don't have any faith because I have not picked up a controller. Besides a PS5 controller.
You can play with mine.
Oh.
If you actually want to play with
Nice.
PS5.
What the fuck? I didn't know that would kill you.
Yeah, but
that
it was
is-
really
that's
high.
Super
Have a
bad.
PS5
throw.
controller.
Ah.
The only way I would have lived
Oh
was
no, I know how to
down
play.
or
It's just
That
well,
was the only throw that could have killed me.
Oh, now you know how to play.
I mean, it's debatable if I know how to play. Also, I gotta wash my hands because I ate recent pizza.
Put it all over my keyboard.
Your keyboard's worse. I'll find
Oh, that one messed up.
I'm the one that used your keyboard anyway. Right.
Real.
Okay, but actually, no.
Oh, I know. I can't get it for you because it's right beneath that over here. That one, the black one.
The black one?
No! Oh!
Big.
Just steal a sock. Just steal a
Yeah,
sock.
we'll get it
Which
out.
one between the games?
Sorry, I should have done the other one.
Both.
Well, the tiles are downside.
It's a great move. Oh my god, you hit both. Let's go.
Ah,
Bow!
I'm so sorry. I was way too
Thread the needle between our up smashes.
That was just kind of fun.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice.
Wait, how'd you trip? You were in the air.
What the hell?
Can you grab me the controller?
The black one.
That one?
Alright, I'm gonna move Gandor because at least I can kill.
Grassy ass.
That's definitely a way better double skill.
You don't want to just put it on stream?
Yeah. What are we banning?
I don't care.
I mean,
Station not want to play on. No Dreamland?
stream is going to be waiting at this point.
Were we just on?
Full chaos, you know.
Okay.
Fight club, fight club, fight club.
It's a little small stage.
Oh. What? I am also a TO.
Got it.
Nice.
Oh no.
Oh, that killed me? Oh.
Brix. Oh no.
Why not? Oh, I thought it was me. Oh my god, what a snipe on me.
Fuck!
Down there? Nice. Up there.
I'm sorry.
That's right.
Oh my god, that exploded.
Is this best of 3 or 5?
I was in 5. Only 14.
That's like the note.
Yeah,
I'm so
I
sorry.
got Jeff Smash.
I thought he'd roll.
Right here.
Alright, I'm gonna make my last stop now.
Oh my god. Nice!
Oopsies.
Oh, okay. I'm not gonna take front.
I sail, I
That'd be
sail,
so
I
rude.
sail right now. The hole is a sail.
Oh fuck, I was trying to jump over to it. My bad.
Just hit them both if that up smash.
Ravina, you have me so scared right now.
I'm sorry.
I'll pass it to you. Okay. I was gonna give him out a low percent and
Yeah,
pass it to you.
that's fair. Yeah, dude.
Oh, okay, yeah. Alright. Were you preferring Ganondorf or Lucas?
That game was a lot closer.
It was a lot closer.
Yeah.
Alright, maybe this one again. Maybe the small stage isn't worse.
Yeah, it's cool.
You can go to double time instead.
Yeah.
Oh, man, almost kills got me.
I wouldn't have thrown you down.
No, I'm in
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, it's
Dude, I feel terrible.
You're alright, man.
It's Power Bowser and double team. I'll just run to every smash okay. Awesome dude.
Oh!
Yeah, you're going.
Got her.
I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna be on the news.
Hey yo, all along.
I'm trying.
I said 280, right? But-
What? I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Oh my gosh. That's die.
Look.
Punch him. Punch. Big. Yawn.
Oh my god, the big fat feet.
No!
Steal it. Steal it.
Look, I got Jet Smash.
Steal it. Sorry.
You good?
You're kind of getting peanut though.
Help.
You got it. You just gotta get past the peanuts. Okay,
Got it. There we go.
Take it on stream. Hog the stream.
Sounds good.
Alright. You guys
You're gonna be holding down.
Yep.
Alright. And just more than one.
I'm sorry. Get out. Get out.
I guess I'll just do the double login.
I doubt people are gonna be mad if you don't save the boss.
I'm gonna be mad.
You're right.
I'm gonna sit in the back seat. I'll be the lonely one.
Okay. I mean, with Tracy and you here, it's like you guys,
Doesn't
we
even
definitely
matter.
all four of us fit. Both rather.
I actually kind of like the seat last time we played double team, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
Having this entire back area to myself was pretty nice.
So you can give back shots mid set.
Hey, I didn't say that.
But you implied it.
Yeah.
You got a preference for 2 or 3?
Nah.